your business, but I can see something here just ain't right. You're not acting quite like you used to, and if you don't know what's wrong, well, I might. You've got all the classic symptoms